Imagine this. There's a small baby जो जोर जोर से रो रहा है, maybe uncomfortable or restless. So as a parent or a caretaker, what do? You try and understand why the baby is crying. Is he hungry? या फिर डायपर गीला है, उसको ठंड लग रही है, या गर्मी हो रही है, या फीवर वगैरह है क्या? You try to understand the reason behind that cry. Now imagine, instead of all that, you just slap that baby and just say चुप हो जा. Very absurd, right? But you are doing the same thing with your own health. Every time your body gives you a signal in the form of bloating, acidity, headache, pain, you just take in a tablet and just say chup ho ja to all those symptoms. That pain was your body's cry, and instead of understanding why it is happening, you just tell it chup ho ja. Hi, I'm Kinjal, a qualified nutritionist and a lifestyle coach. Welcome to our YouTube channel Optima Remedy. We are diving deep into a very common but rarely discussed habit, over-the-counter medicines. यानी वो दवाइयाँ जो आपको बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के easily कोई भी दुकान से मिल सकती है. Let's talk about what happens behind that relief and what you could have done differently. हेडेक या फीवर के लिए पैरासिटामोल, कोई बॉडी पेन के लिए कॉम्बिफ्लेम या आइबुप्रोफेन, एंटासिड फॉर एसिडिटी, और सर्दी खांसी के लिए कफ सिरप या नेजल स्प्रे. In fact, some people keep a mini pharmacy in their kitchen or in their bags. But the question is, are you healing your body or muting it every time it speaks? Let's discuss why self-medication is risky. I totally agree that these medicines give us fast relief, but that doesn't mean it is recovering the actual problem. Headache हो रहा था, आपने दवाई ले ली. But did you really try and understand headache क्यों हो रहा है? Is it because you have not eaten on time, or is it because of sleep deprivation, or simply dehydration? Frequent use of paracetamol or painkillers can directly impact your liver enzymes. It can also affect your kidneys. जिनको एसिडिटी की तकलीफ रहती है और जो रेगुलर बेसिस पे एंटासिड्स खाते हैं, just understand that regular consumption of antacid is going to weaken your digestive system, and also it is causing deficiencies like B12, iron and magnesium. इन सारी चीज़ों का absorption कम करता है along with reducing your acidity. And then you develop a habit of consuming such medicines without which आपको relief मिलेगा ही नहीं. You become dependent on that. Let me tell you a real life example. One of my client who developed knee pain and constantly, without telling anyone, for 4 months she took Combiflam. And the result, after 4 months, she developed severe bloating and acidity, and her blood test showed increased liver enzymes. There was another young girl, एग्ज़ाम के स्ट्रेस में उसको बार बार कोल्ड एंड कफ होता था. She took cough syrup on a regular basis, and after a few months she developed poor immunity. She was tired all the day, and there was massive mood swings. And there was another tech guy, very busy job, half the life goes in office and traveling. He had a habit of taking antacid before going to office and a sleeping pill after coming back. Is this a solution of your erratic meal patterns which is causing acidity and then creating issues in sleeping? जब आपकी प्रॉब्लम हद से ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए तब उस टाइम पे पिल लेना ज़रूरी है. But when you realize that the problem is beginning, then it's your responsibility to take small steps like some home remedies, some lifestyle change, जिसके कारण वो प्रॉब्लम या वो सिम्टम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आगे ना बढ़े. Let me share a few home remedies that you can try to minimize these symptoms. Headache या mild fever है तो try drinking 1 or 2 glasses of warm water. Dehydration is one of the most neglected reason for your headaches. Try and consume ginger and turmeric concoction. It is anti-inflammatory and it is soothing in nature. You can also try peppermint oil massage on your temples. You can also try and eat a banana with soaked pumpkin seeds because it is rich in magnesium, and magnesium has shown to reduce headaches magically. For gas, acidity and bloating, you can try chewing half a teaspoon of jeera or saunf after your meals. For severe acidity, you can try aloe vera juice or cold milk. You can also try and make a concoction of jeera, ajwain, saunf and coriander seeds, and in that you can also put some mint leaves. And most importantly, you can try and sit in Vajrasan after your meals for 15 minutes and take 5 to 10 minutes of walk after that. For cold, cough and throat irritation, the most magical remedy is your turmeric latte. Add in a pinch of black pepper along with it for the best absorption of your turmeric. You can also try a kadha of tulsi, licorice and ginger. And most effective one is inhaling the steam and doing salt water gargling. And don't forget to sip warm water throughout the day. So let's discuss some home remedies for constipation. If you are prone to constipation, make it a habit of including a banana or a guava in your diet every single day. Drink lots and lots of water, preferably warm water, so that it is easy for the body to defecate. You can also try soaked raisins, soaked chia seeds or soaked flax seeds. You can try adding 1 teaspoon of ghee in a glass of water or milk and consume it at your bedtime. Try these remedies and let me know which one works for you. I know ये remedies instant effect नहीं भी देगा, but in long term they make your body self-reliant and not medicine dependent. So if you are prone to any of symptoms like acidity or bloating or constipation or headache, then you should do it constantly on a regular basis and not just the day it happens. कभी कभी ज़रूरत पड़ने पर ओवर द काउंटर्स जो ड्रग मिलते हैं वो लेना ज़रूरी है, बट यू हैव टू नो व्हेन यू हैव टू स्टॉप. If you are taking any medicines for more than once a week, if you are taking 2 to 3 different medicines at the same time without doctor's prescription, and if you have been self-medicating for 3 to 4 days in a row, then you need to consult a doctor. So next time when your body cries, don't rush to slap a tablet on it. Pause, ask and understand, and do not repeat those behaviors which is actually causing the symptoms. Like अगर आपको पता है कि खाना मिस करने से आपको एसिडिटी होती है, then do not skip. Ask for like 15 minutes of break and eat your food on time. If this video made you pause even for a second and rethink about your behavior, please put it down in the comment section. Tell me which medicine you and your family rely on. Like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to share this video with someone who always says मुझे तो ये टैबलेट लेने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.